Stay sharp, embrace growth, and keep learning to fuel your career progress.
So you're a mid-level software engineer, right? You're good at your job, you can ship code, you can squash bugs, but your career just feels stuck. If you're feeling like you've kind of hit a wall, trust me, you are not alone. We're about to break down the common traps that are probably holding you back and figure out how to get that growth engine started again.
Does this feel a little too real? You're doing solid work, you're comfortable, maybe a little too comfortable. It's so easy to slip into cruise control without even noticing. So think of this explainer as a quick checkup, a way to see if you've accidentally steered into some common pitfalls that are slowing you down. All right, we're going to break this down into 4 big traps. First, your tech skills getting rusty. Second, just letting your career drift. Third, doing great work that nobody sees. And finally, the big one, the ever-present danger of burnout. Let's dive in.
Okay, first up, technical stagnation. This one is so sneaky because it happens when you're actually really good at your job. Your comfort zone becomes, well, a long-term danger zone for your career.
This is what happens when you get laser-focused on one particular product or framework and you stop peeking over the fence to see what's new. You become the absolute expert on yesterday's technology. And that feels awesome, right? Until you look up and the entire industry has sprinted past you. And believe me, it moves fast.
Okay, this should be a wake-up call. The half-life of a technical skill is estimated to be just 2.5 years. Just let that sink in for a second. In less time than it takes to finish a big project, half of what you know could be on its way to being obsolete. If you haven't learned a major new skill in the last few years, you're falling behind, even if you feel super productive today.
And this really lays it out, doesn't it? You've got 2 paths in front of you. You can stay in your lane, doing the routine stuff in the codebase you know like the back of your hand. Your skills get a little dull, and you wonder why you're being passed over for promotions. Or you can seek out the scary stuff, lead that new project, jump into that weird, unfamiliar architecture. That's where growth explodes, and that's when people start seeing you as a leader.
Okay, so how do we fight back against this? You have to start treating learning like it's a core part of your job. Because it is. Spin up some side projects just to play with new tech. Stick your hand up for the tasks that make you a little nervous. But most importantly, you have to adopt a growth mindset.